A good quality solar blanket is a must-have for your kit for ongoing access to your fridge, lighting and other camping accessories too. Now the thing I love about Hardkorr is they create this amazing quality solar blanket that's lightweight and compact. This blanket literally folds down from an approximately 1.3 metre square panel into one small tile about 45 centimetres square, so they save valuable space inside your vehicle. Now, unlike larger, heavier models, this one's so easy. You simply lay it out and fold it over to get an instant charge. Now that can be like this on the ground, or your bonnet, or your awning, wherever there's sun. From a technical perspective, the Hardkorr 250-watt portable solar blanket is made with highly efficient A-grade monocrystalline solar cells, producing up to 15.2 amps per hour. It comes with everything you need to get started. A 6-metre extension cable with Anderson plug, a second lead with battery clamps, and a 20-amp PWM solar regulator with the ability to charge a range of batteries, including AGM, gel, calcium and wet cell, as well as lithium.